Okay, you ever want to make your own little nice little swimsuit, but a lot of the stuff you feel is not going to give you the coverage? So take some of your favorite high-waisted Spanx. See that? Come way up. Good spandex, okay? And you cut two triangle pieces. Cut two triangle pieces. Bloom. And bloom. See that? And we're going to connect it to these Spanx. And we're going to have us a nice little swimsuit. And then we'll feel that comfortable and confidence that we're looking for. Now you know. Toodles. So when you pin it to the underwear. I ran out of pins. But pin it all the way around the Spanx. And then go to the sewing machine and sew it down. So when you want to feel snatched and feel secure, and you want to wear something on the beach, but you're like, I don't want to be looking all. Take a pair of Spanx and buy some spandex fabric. And make your own ties. And you can tie this as tight as you want it. You can double it if you like. I didn't double mine, but yes, you could feel secure. And I actually still have on my waist trainer as well. So if you want to be snatched, do it. Get a pair of Spanx and do it. And then you want to go to the beach with the kids, but you don't feel secure, and then just take a little skirt or something, or shorts, put it on. Gotta line the seam up. I think the seam is crooked, but line it up. I think my seam is all the way crooked. There we go. But then you can go to the beach and with the kids and like, okay, I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. So there you go, guys. And you can feel secure. I actually have my waist trainer on underneath here to give me that coverage. Now, if your waist trainer come up too high, if you see, I just folded it down a little bit. Just fold it down. Get short torso waist trainers. And make sure your Spanx come way up here. So you can see I have on the waist trainer still. So make sure your Spanx come way up. So you can cover that. And you can feel secure. Toodles.